Managing my well-being, I'm quite good at switching off from work. I have a lot of hobbies which take me away from my desk. I think in my working environment I'm very sociable and I communicate a lot. I think people would say I was outgoing. Actually, my hobbies are quite solitary. So I'll go up to my allotment and I find that really relaxing just to get my hands in the soil, really. I do a lot of gardening, my own garden. And I have a doll's house, which probably sounds a bit weird to some people, but it's like a replica of a Regency house in the 1820s. So I try and make it look as realistic as possible. Everything's down to 1/12 scale. I'm always looking for new hobbies. I have to stop. But that's how I relax, really. The company's really helped me because it's allowed me to have a flexible working pattern. So I do a 30-hour week rather than the full week. So, and I can split that up a little bit if I want to. My manager is quite flexible about that. So yeah, no, that works really well for me.